Tanisha, your journey is inspiring. But tell me, was there ever a time when you felt like giving up?
Yes, sir. There were many times when I felt frustrated. Sometimes, I couldn't understand grammar, and sometimes people laughed at my pronunciation.
Try again, Tanisha. Don't be afraid.
Determination. But I didn't let those moments stop me. I practiced in front of a mirror, recorded my voice, and even talked to myself in English.
That's the spirit. So, when did you realize that English had truly changed your life?
One day, our school had an English speech competition. I was scared, but I remembered all the practice I had done. English is not just a language, it's a bridge to the world. That day, I realized I could do anything if I believed in myself. Learning English gave me so many opportunities. I helped my little brother with his homework. I helped my mother write a letter. And one day, I even spoke to a tourist at the market.
Wow! Your English is really good. Tanisha, have you ever thought about teaching others who struggle with English?
Yes, sir. I want to help other students who are afraid like I was. Maybe I can start an English club at school.
That's an excellent idea. When we share knowledge, we grow even more.
Then I will do it, sir. If I can do it, you can too. Start today, and never give up.